Hello everyone. Let's see how to register for the conference. Firstly, go to the website imke.in. Then click on Be a part of IMKE. You will be navigated to the sign up page. Then you need to sign up first. Here you need to add an email ID and note that this email ID will be used for further updates as well. Then an OTP will be sent to your entered email ID for verification. After OTP verification, you will be forwarded to the dashboard where you need to fill the registration form. Then you will need to pay the registration charges. You have option for UPI, debit card, credit card, or a net banking for making the payment. After successful payment, you will be again redirected to the dashboard. And now you have just register for the conference. The registration email with the receipt of payment will be mailed to you on your entered email ID, or you can check it from the menu section as well. You have a receipt here as well. Then if you want to submit an abstract for any track, then navigate to the track section on the dashboard itself. And you will have option to apply for any track. Just click on apply and you need to enter the author details. If you have any other co-authors, you can add them as well. But if you don't have any co-authors, you can just remove them. Then you need to click on I agree for the declaration. Then on the next screen, you will get you are submitting the abstract for which purpose, whether you are going to present an poster, or you need to present a paper, or you need to present or and publish the paper. Then you have to give your abstract and title. Then you need to add an abstract which should be in 250 words minimum and 500 words maximum. Yeah. And when the criteria is hit, your abstract will be submitted, and you can see your abstract details from applications tab. You will also get an applied option on dashboard itself. And for the further process, you can just track this application stack. and you will be also notified regarding your abstract selection, rejection, or correction needed if in the case on the email itself. And afterwards your abstract getting selected, you will get option to submit your paper as well. Now, whenever you are logging on the dashboard for the second time, you just have to go to the login section. And if you haven't cleared your caches of your browser, then you will be automatically logged into your account, or otherwise you will get an option to log in via your email ID, which you have just entered. That's all, everyone. So that's how you can register for the event.